Hi guys, I'm right here play with my daughter. Uh, Today it's wonderful.
And play.
Uh,
And look at my house behind.
oh yeah, it's all the way down. Can you see? It's all the way back there.
All the way up there.
Uh-huh.
And I love, and my cat's favorite fruit is snow.
Do you like snow?
Yes.
I know that you like it.
My cat.
Okay,
She
let
loves to eat snow.
let me see if you have any animal right here around. No, not right now.
Look. Look.
No, 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 don't do this. Don't do this. You can't eat snow. Hey, okay. Don't, Vivi, listen to me. Don't do this again, okay? What the Bible says. You wanna respect the parents, okay? So,
Look at the snow coming.
good job. Vivi, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, let's go all the way up.
Careful. Careful with me. I don't fall. Careful.
I got you.
Look at that line. That's the car.
Uh-huh.
Did you see that? It's so funny.
Yes, it
It's
is.
so funny.
Guys, I'm gonna try to do more videos, you know, like I'm starting to do some videos, you know. But
Look all the way up to the end. Look at my home.
oh yeah, it's all the way back there. Guys, it's amazing right here. Like you guys can see. Uh, it's the first time that I see something like this. At least right here, because I'm living right here for a while, and that's not normal. At least in this part of the state.
I gotta make a snowman. Did you wanna bring a snowman?
Watch your hands. Watch your hands. Okay, be careful, right? Because right now, watch this. Oops, I need to be careful with myself.
Careful with me.
Hmm.
Careful. Be careful.
Oh my Jesus. Okay, let me go.
So funny.
I'm gonna change. I'm gonna pass right here.
Be careful. I'm gonna fall.
No, you're not fall. I got you. Okay.